Hey my peeps, welcome back to A Unit Journey. Today we're going to go ahead and do the Jamaican Jerk Seasoning, the dry rub version. Alright, so in a medium container, and add some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, onion powder, some ground allspice, same as pimento berries, some black pepper, dry thyme, brown sugar, some salt, smoked paprika, some nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, some ground ginger, and some dry parsley. Isn't that looking gorgeous? Anyways, we're going to go ahead and whisk all those ingredients together. Make sure to get it as smooth as possible. You see those brown sugar lumps? Get them all out and it should look just like this. All right. I'm going to go ahead and store it in an airtight container for up to 3 months. All right. You can add more red pepper flakes and cayenne pepper to it for if you want it to be more spicy. All right, later. Bye-bye.